afternoon, welcome back to my channel, Sarah Hutagal. Okay, so today we are going to make a robotic car. Okay, do you know what is robotic car actually? Yeah, maybe the car that needs a robot, yeah. But I think robot has electricity, right? Indeed. Okay, so next, how to make a robotic car? Let's check it out. Okay everyone, what the materials that you need to make a robotic car? The first is brush, two batteries, this is battery holder, this is small lights, I have red and I have yellow. Next is small batteries for the lights. And then the most important is the motor. The motor later can spin very fast like this. And this is a hex nut on it. But before you have to make the robotic car, so you have to stick on the motor the hex nut here. Okay, so how to make a robotic car? Let's check it out. First of all, you take a brush, and on it you have to stick this battery holder, but this battery holder has tape on the bottom, okay, like a double tape, right? So you have to peel off first like this, okay, and after that you have to put on the brush like this, okay, like this. But this is must empty because this one you gonna put the motor. But first of all you have to put this hex nut on the motor, so later it will gonna spin very fast, right? Okay, so it seems like the battery holder, so you have to peel off the tape like this, and then you're gonna put it here behind the battery holder like this. So actually everyone, this has two wires, yeah. In the battery holder it has two wires, and also this motor has two wires, yeah. And then this battery holder has black and red, okay, and also this one red and black, okay. And after that you have to put these batteries into the battery holder, okay. You can see over here there is a symbol plus and then negative here, and here negative, this is positive, okay. Let's check, put it here, this is positive, I will gonna put here like this, and this is negative, I will put it here like this. Okay, and now you have to connect the wires, yes. It's okay if you gonna put this red to red, or black to black, or black to red, like that, okay. So yeah, this is very tricky everyone, so you have to be careful, okay. And then I have a small wires here like this, so you have to bend it first, bend like this, bend it like this, like a hook, like this, bend it like this. Okay, after that you have to connect the wires like this. Maybe I will connect the red wire to with the black wire, and then black wire to the red wire like this. Later it will spin very fast like this, and then if you put it into the floor, onto the floor, it will spin very fast like this. So if you want to make a decorations, it's okay. You can put this light. Okay, I have yellow here, and this is the small batteries, the coin battery, yeah. Okay, and then you have to put it like this, and after that you can stick beside it here. Okay, and also like this, the red, this, so you have to put it positive on the top, negative on the bottom. Like this. Okay, you can stick it on beside here, beside the brush, like this, and also like this. So like this, everyone. Okay, yellow and red beside here like this. So you can put more decoration to your robotic car. Okay. Okay everyone, we already make a robotic car. I think it's very fun, right, to make it, but actually it's a little bit tricky, but I trust you can make it by yourself at home, right? Okay, I think that's all about our experiment today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.